Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a gingerbread village out of a cardboard. Frankly, I made it and filmed it last year for you guys, but it never went up on my channel because I had issues with the audio. So here we are a year later in a new apartment and in a new country. Well guys, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you're into home decor DIYs on a budget, then subscribe to my channel and push the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Okay guys, let's begin. Alright, first I took 3 sheets of printing paper and joined them with Scotch tape. Then I went ahead and drew my village with a pencil. For my roofs I used a triangular ruler. For my windows and doors I used this, I don't know how it's called, kind of plastic thing with shapes I had in my stash, and a cap from a bottle for the larger rounded windows and for the arched doors. I'm just being resourceful here. Then I took a cutting board from my kitchen since I don't have a cutting mat yet, and with my X-Acto knife and my ruler I cut out the windows, the doors and the perimeter of my village. Next I placed my village on the back of my cardboard and I secured it in place with some Scotch tape. And then I went ahead and traced the pattern with the pencil. Until now this was the fun and easy part. It was like a walk in the park, piece of cake. When I finished, I removed my stencil and it was time to cut the pattern. Little did I know this puppy was holding for me. It was so hard, so hard to cut the cardboard and reach the other side because my cardboard was very thick and sturdy. So I opted for a thinner one and I had to go back and trace the pattern again. But I didn't mind because I was confident that it would be easier to cut it this time. To be honest guys, this was easier, but I highly recommend to pick a very thin cardboard or a cardstock paper. It will make your life so much easier. Trust me on this. And this is how it turned out after the sweat and tears, guys. I love it. Next, I took a baking sheet, mine comes to individual parts, and placed it at the back of the cardboard. To keep it in place, I used some Scotch tape, turned it over, and then traced all the perimeter. Next, I removed the cardboard and started to cut my design. You have to cut it about ½ an inch in only at the pattern of the roofs, because we don't want the baking paper to appear throughout. When you're done, put it aside, and now it's time for the best part. I took a chalk marker and traced all the doors and windows. If you don't have a chalk marker, you can use white acrylic paint and a painting brush. I kept my design sleek and simple, but you can customize it as you like. You can draw shutters, strings of lights, the roofs, anything you like. You can find inspiration on Pinterest. There are lots of designs there. Next, I ran the chalk marker throughout the roofs, and then with the help of the ruler, I drew straight lines between the houses to separate each house. This was such a fun and relaxing time. I could do this for hours. Now it's time to place the baking paper. Find the spot where it should sit flush and stick it to the cardboard with some drops of hot glue. When you're done, you need to take 3 pieces of cardboard and stick them with some hot glue behind at the very bottom of the cardboard, so it is staying straight and preventing it from falling. And this is our final product. Guys, I'm obsessed how it turned out. My kids also. We can't wait to be dark outside, switch off our ceiling lights and keep only the Christmas lights on and enjoy the ambience while we're watching a movie. Guys, I hope I inspired you to make one, and if you enjoyed this DIY, then definitely like this video, and if you're into DIYs on a budget, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Bye guys.